objectively, and they'll find that what the president is doing is nothing different than what other presidents, again, have done for many years, and that will be allowed to go forward with the Deferred Action for Parents, with an expanded deferred action program for young people, and that will be able, as everybody has the signs here, to stop separating families. So again, we appreciate everyone here. We know that if we keep fighting, both in the courts and out here in public and at the ballot box, that we can't stop, then eventually we will have justice for immigrants. So again, thank everyone for coming today. We appreciate it.
Thank you, Richard. Thank you, everybody, again, to be here. And also, we'd like to thank all the elected officials that are here with us. We have Brendan Dillon. Thank you. And then we have Mayor Harwell of the city of Grand Rapids. And needless to say, they are so welcome the immigrant in our city. And gracias a todos por estar aquí, especialmente las personas que son oficiales electos, como es Brendan Dillon, y el alcalde de la ciudad, Mayor Harwell. Without further ado, I will present to you Mayor Harwell.